Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a part 2 video series of my project car restoration video of the MR2 Spyder here. I want to start off this video by apologizing to my subscribers and those that have followed me here from the MR2 Spyder forums to my channel here. Apologize for not posting a video sooner, a part 2. My life has been pretty hectic recently. I was laid off of work a couple months ago, and my wife and I are expecting our first baby here any day now. So it's been a little crazy, a little busy here. So I haven't gotten around to doing this part 2 here. So in this part here, the MR2, I haven't really done anything to it. It's just been sitting in my garage for a while, kind of wasting away. So today I'm going to clean it up, clean up the interior, the exterior, and then hopefully get some parts in. As you can see over here, got some wheels for it, some nicer, wider wheels, and then some new seats out of a Celica. So I'll be installing them in this video, in this part 2, and the wheels and cleaning everything up. So stick around and watch the process here with me. Thank you all. And here's what the interior looks like after I got the seats out of it. Super nasty. So much crud in here. Nasty, doesn't look like it's been cleaned in ages. And you can tell it's an old man that owned this. There's a cassette in here and has hot tracks from who knows when. Some Def Leppard on there, some Billy Idol. Just hits of a bygone era when some old man owned this. And I don't know why there's a cassette player in here, but there is, and a bunch of other crud in here. Some readers probably. So old man for sure. And needs a deep, thorough clean in here, so we'll get that done next. Nasty. Pretty nasty interior, nasty underneath the center console here. And then there's some little fuzzy, I don't know what they are, mushrooms Little fuzzy balls in here. They're green and disgusting. Don't know what that is. That's gross. Definitely a biohazard in here. Lots of dog hair. Lots of stuff in here. Disgusting. Not very well kept, so we'll be doing a deep clean on this guy. As you can see, it's already so much better. All the junk out of here. Next, we're gonna vacuum all this out of here. And then I'm gonna clean out the gutters for the soft top because it's leaking a bit, looks like. So I'll get that cleaned out. Get this vacuum cleaned out, detailed. And then we'll do a wet vac. Scrub it down, soap it down. Wet vac, and then after it dries out, we'll put in the new seats. Nasty, nasty stuff. So much neglect for so many years. All adds up. So here's a quick how-to on how to clean out the drains for the soft top. This has been sitting for a long time and there's some water collecting behind the seats on the little shelf area down here. So there's some puddles of water here, which is usually a sign that the drains are clogged on the soft top, which they drain down here and then out the bottom of the car. So here's how you clean them out. There's this shelf back here and it's attached to this little clip right here. So you'll unclip that to give more access. And then down here on the side, you can see all the crud down here. This is where the drains are located. And the drain is way down here. I don't know if you can see that mesh area right there. That's the drain itself. And then so you'll have to clean out all this crud right here, vacuum it out and make sure that water is coming out and draining out of here properly. So that's how you clean them. And get to it. So there we go. After a car wash, quick car wash, already looking so much better. Got all the dirt and grime and all the stuff off of it. Looking a lot cleaner. Now comes the fun part. Gotta replace these janky, mismatched wheels with some nicer wheels. So pick these up off of Facebook Marketplace. These are some John Gloed racing wheels, I guess is what they're called. They're flow formed. Miata guys use these. I think they were made for like spec Miata racing before, but you know, they're 4x100, 5x8 size, plus 28 offset. The tires are kind of trashed on them, so I'll need to get new tires. Got lots of camber wear and stuff, so I'll need to replace these. These are 195 by 50 15s, so I think they're a little too thin on these. They're a bit stretched, so probably go for 205 width. I've seen some guys run some 225 45 15s, but I don't know if those rub, or when you're cornering and stuff, if they rub. Do plan to lower the car, so not sure what kind of tires to run with. Probably just the 205s, but if you guys have run 225s, let me know in the comments below in the video. And then some Celica seats going in there later. These are in much nicer condition and fabric, so let's get these on. So there's the car, the new wheels on it. I think it looks a lot better versus the old mismatched silver wheels. They don't stick out too much or anything either, so I don't think they'll rub, which is good. The backside. And definitely looking a lot better with the white and black theme and the panda theme, in my opinion at least. But let me know what you all think. Black wheels look good, a lot better versus alloys. What are your thoughts? So there's the interior again after the vacuum and everything. Next step, I'm gonna deep clean the interior here, detail or wipe down all the door panels, door dash, everything in here as well. And then we're gonna do a scrub, upholstery cleaner, and wet vac. Get all this gunk out of here, get it nice and clean, smelling better. So last part for the interior, I'm going to do a deep clean of the carpets here. So I'm going to use this upholstery cleaner, which you can get anywhere, and then spray it down. After I spray it down, scrub it in with the drill brush, and then after that I'm going to go with the Bissell wet vac here and do a deep wet vac through everything here and try to get this as clean as possible and get all the smells out and dirt out and everything else out of there. So follow me on the step here. So there we go. There's the interior, deep cleaned. Carpets turned out a lot better. Can't get out all of it. I mean, it's a 25-year-old car almost, but a lot better. Smells a lot cleaner in here, and in my opinion looks a lot better now. Some dog hairs here and there that I couldn't get out, but otherwise really good condition. Came out pretty good overall. A lot better than what it was, that's for sure. So here are the silica seats that I'm going to put in. I'm going to let the interior dry first, give it a couple days, and then afterwards I'm going to put these new to me silica seats in, which are in better condition than the leather or vinyl ones that are in there, and no rips or tears or anything like that in them. So, and I prefer the fabric seats because the vinyl leather ones heat up a lot in the sun, so these are a lot more comfortable on a hot day. So these will be going in a few days. Here's the interior again, and let me show you what the vacuum looks like. There's the Bissell, super gross and dirty. Nasty stuff. And then here's the water in there, all brown and nasty, disgusting. Almost 25 years of dirt and grime built up in there. So this will be a lot cleaner now. Better smelling too.
So there's the final product, the seats in there, the new Celica seats that are fabric. Took a minute to get to this place now. I didn't realize that the Celica seats have a different seat bracket, slightly different from the MR2 seats. So had to take off the old seat brackets, the bottoms on the MR2, and swap them over to the Celica seats so that they would work and bolt right up. So it was a little tedious. It took me most of the day to do this, but got it done finally, and looks a lot better in my opinion here. Let me know what you think. But my opinion, that interior is so much cleaner, smells so much better, looks a lot better. Anyways, there's the car. There's the progress so far, update on it. Next step is to do the engine swap in here, get the old engine out and put a new engine in here. I'm just gonna go the 1ZZ route, find a low mileage engine and put it in here, just because of budget and, you know, my restraints right now, especially with being laid off and expecting our first child. So, you know, a lot going on right now, and just want to do this as cheap as possible and DIY it and do as much of it myself that I can. So I'll have an update for the next video soon, hopefully. Remember to like the video, comment on the video, share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. It'd really help me out as a small YouTube channel. Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Have a good day.